Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 131. If we start with this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. Don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, 2, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 8, 8 here, so 2, 7. But I just noticed this 9 makes this our 2, 9, and that 2 makes this our 7 and 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. With that 6, we can get rid of the 6. For this column now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 6 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 here and 6 here. Makes this our 5, 6, 2. This 5 makes this our 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 6, 7, 2. And that 6 makes this our 5. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.